How to learn digital marketing. We live in an era where the internet plays a major role in almost every commercial activity we take up. From paying bills to buying groceries, from planning a vacation to shopping, we reach out to the internet for it all. This makes the internet the biggest market today, greater than the size of any other you have ever known. This has simply resulted in a surge in digital marketing jobs. According to a combined study of CII and KPMG, over 20 lakh jobs are expected to be created in digital marketing space by the year 2020. This makes the digital marketing industry a promising career option today. So let's get to the meat of it. You want to learn digital marketing, right? Awesome. Here's how you should learn digital marketing.
Understand the different digital marketing channels. There are roughly 6 main channels that you need to focus on: inbound marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, email marketing, social media, and blogging are the channels that you will need to learn about. They are the backbone of digital marketing. Know them all, but plan to master a couple. Take up a course. Take an in-depth course available to you. That will help you to gather more skills in less time. Look for the practicality of the course and never be satisfied with just theory. Learning a lot of theory actually means nothing. Digital Vidya's CDMM course is one that you can pick up to gain mastery on online marketing in 3 to 6 months. Apply your learning. Spend time in execution. The greatest portion of your time should be spent on doing things hands-on. That's where the actual learning is. Apply the concepts that you've learned in the course and gain expertise in executing them with precision. Read case studies. Case studies are just as important to a digital marketer as is breakfast. Not exaggerating, honestly. Lay emphasis on studying what other brands have done and how they achieve a success. You'll gain a lot of ideas that can help you to make a winning strategy. Study your competitors. In the real world, your competitor might not be a global brand that you have to read about, so study your competition and observe what they're doing. You can either take up similar tasks and execute them better, or go for a complete shift in approach. Find out the things they're not doing and try doing them. Learn strategy making. Combine all of the above steps to create a strategy. Next thing is to execute it. Keep observing its flaws and taking corrective actions, and obviously the positives as well. Being able to adjust is a recipe for success. Now, when you do all this, you'll be a rocking digital marketer. The experience will give you confidence as well as tactical ability to reach newer heights. And yes, you can attend free digital marketing orientation on how to learn digital marketing. The link is there in the description.